Have you guys ever had spicy egg fried rice with fish sauce? That tastes so delicious and it's so easy to make. I'm gonna show you right now because my kids love to eat it. First, you're gonna add some oil in here. Turn up the fire. Let's go and turn it up. And then what I'm gonna do is I usually like to toss the egg in first. So let that egg nice and cook. Ooh, yeah, let's get that shell out. Boom. And then let's grab this. Let's go on with the other one. There we go. And then let's go ahead and put the eggs like that. And what I usually do, guys, is I'm gonna go ahead and put the garlic here, and I'm gonna just got the chopper, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the rice in, and I'm gonna let the rice sit on top of the garlic so that the garlic sizzles and it's this aroma runs through the rice. You see what I'm saying? So that rice can smell so garlicky. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let it cook with it. We got mushroom powder, and that's pretty much, and chili. And then we're gonna go ahead and use this one, the 3 craft fish sauce. Let's go. So at this moment right here, the egg's gonna look like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and spread the rice out a little bit. It smells good already. Okay, let's go ahead and dump the eggs on top. Get the eggs on top. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix it right now. I'm telling you. Okay. Make sure the fire's on really high. And at this moment right here, I'm just going to go ahead and drop some mushroom powder in it. Just give it a little nice sweet taste to it. I don't use MSG. And at this moment right here, we're gonna go ahead and drop some chili in there, just a little bit. That's it. And we're gonna go ahead and drop some fish sauce in there. Boom. And then let's stir it up. We don't need no butter because you're using fish sauce. You're not using soy sauce. You know what I'm saying? Chop up all the rice, and we're gonna go ahead. If you guys want to add more chili, you can. But we're gonna go ahead. Ooh, look at that! This is perfect. That's it. Ooh, it is good. Let's taste it real quick. We're done. Let's eat, kids.